Okay, question number 19. So we have the function f is defined by this right here. What points on the graph of f have the property that the line tangent to f at xy has the slope equal to 1/2. Okay, so first thing I want to do is, if we're talking about a tangent line, then that's like code for derivatives. So I'm going to take the derivative of my function here, and let's see, with respect to x, of course. Let's see here. So I will go ahead and use the quotient rule. So I'll have f prime of x equals x plus 2 times 1 minus, let's see here, 1 times x, and then of course divided by, let's see here, x plus 2 squared. Now, if I simplify this down, I am going to get, let's see here, I'm going to get 2 over x plus 2 squared. All right, so I want to set my derivative equal to 1/2 because they tell me the slope is 1/2. So I'm going to say 1/2 equals 2 over x plus 2 squared. And if I multiply both sides by, well, I guess if I cross multiply, I should say, I'm going to get x plus 2 squared equals 4. And if I take the square root of both sides, well, then I'm going to get that x plus 2 equals plus or minus 2, because remember, -2 multiplied by -2 is also 4. So I will go ahead and subtract 2 from both sides, and I will have, let's see, plus or minus 2 minus 2. So therefore, x is equal to 0, but it's also equal to -4. So that is our x-coordinate. I should say our x-coordinates that work. Now I just want to go ahead and plug it back to the initial function and make sure that we don't get any like divide by 0 errors or anything like that. So if I go over here and I have f of 0, well, I'm going to get 0 over 0 plus 2, which is going to be 0, so that checks out. And then if I have f of -4, well, then I'm going to get -4 divided by -4 plus 2, which is going to be, let's see here, -4 divided by -2, which is going to be equal to 2. So that checks out. So therefore, what are my two coordinates going to be? Well, I actually just accidentally solved it right there, right? So whenever x is 0, y is 0, so that's 1 point. And whenever x is -4, y is going to be +2. So these are our two possibilities. So let's see if we have any answer choices that match that. So not A, not B, not D, and there are such points, so that's wrong. Therefore, the correct answer is C. And yep, that's the correct answer. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.